Thank you, Debbie.
Okay, I was joking over there. What she said. No, I mean, isn't Congresswoman Dingell awesome? She's so inspirational. Well, I don't know where she went, but thank you. We were at the parade this morning, and I was walking up and I saw her, and I'm like, I don't know. She looks, as usual, glamorous, cool as a cucumber. I'm like, oh, you know. So anyhow, so first of all, thank you for all for being here. A couple of years ago, I stood in front of a similar group over at the other park on the west side, where I actually headed a little while ago, but I ended up here, which is a good thing, because I really want to talk to you guys about my campaign for state representative. And some of you were very engaged in our campaign, and some of you just watched from afar. But all of you were behind us getting a Democratic majority in Lansing, and that's why I ran. I was the mayor of Saline for many years, and what we're doing in Lansing is absolutely terrible. How many people are happy with what's happening coming out of Lansing? Raise your hand. How many want to get a Democratic majority in Lansing? We need that desperately. So thank you all for your support. In 2012, I ran for state representative, and thanks to all of you who helped and all of you who talked to your friends and neighbors and said, we support Gretchen Driscoll. We don't live in her district, but we're behind her 100%. I got into office. I defeated an incumbent. It wasn't supposed to be a winnable race. It ended up being the top targeted race for the state house. And I won because of all of you that are here today. So thank you very much. Give yourselves a round of applause. So I'm here today because I'm running for U.S. Congress. I'm running against Tim Walberg. Some of you may know him. Tim Walberg deserves to be in permanent retirement, as I tell people every day. And we are working hard every single day to get Mr. Walberg into retirement. That's really important for me personally. I was mayor of Saline, as I mentioned, as a state representative. I spent many years serving alongside him, obviously in a different capacity, but very unhappily trying to work with him because he doesn't work. He doesn't work for the people of Michigan. He doesn't really care about the people of Michigan, and he shows that over and over and over again by the votes he takes. So, number one, we need to get Mr. Walberg out of office. He's an extreme conservative. He's got an extreme agenda, which is I don't care about working families. I don't care about children. I don't care. He cut Head Start. I don't care about affordable higher education. Over and over and over again, he shows that he doesn't care about what's best for this country and what's best for the state. And so I'm running for U.S. Congress because we need to get Mr. Walberg out of office. The other reason that I'm running is because the 7th Congressional District happens to be the second largest congressional district geographically in the state. There's a lot of geographic territory to cover there. It goes from the county of Monroe all the way over to Lansing, and also covers my state representative district, the 52nd, which is all western, southern, and northern Washtenaw County. And there's an opportunity here that's unique. In this U.S. Congressional 7th District, there's 9 state house seats. And out of the 9, there's 6 competitive seats, meaning that at one point or another, in those 6 seats, a Democrat held those seats. Right now, of those 6 seats, there's 1 Democrat. I need more. We need more. We need more Democrats in Lansing. Why am I running for Congress? To get rid of Mr. Walberg, number one, and number two, to get a Democratic majority in Lansing. It's sickening what's happening in Lansing, and it's incredibly frustrating speaking from somebody that lives in it every day and tries to vote for our working families and for a positive future for our state of Michigan. So please engage, as Congresswoman Dingell said, engage in getting the vote out. We can get the Democratic majority in the House next year. We have to get the Democratic majority in the House next year. Next year's the year, 2016. So I just want to say, first of all, how important our race is for getting the majority in Lansing and getting a very bad congressperson out of office. We are having, thank you Michael and everybody else in the Ann Arbor Dems board, a fundraiser next Monday. We are going to be one of the top races in the country. Mr. Walberg is already in the top 20 most vulnerable incumbents in the country. So we know that we're working hard every day to be on the Dem side. It's a little early, but we have gotten a lot of support, a lot of endorsements. Thank you to Congresswoman Dingell and a lot of other people around the country. We're working really hard. I have some of my team back there, and we are working really hard because we know that we can do better for the people in Michigan. So join us next Monday, the 14th, at Benology at 5:30. But most of all, put your heart and soul in getting Democrats into office next fall, and talk to your friends and neighbors. And you know, I talk to people in Washtenaw County all the time, and they're like, I don't get what's going on in Lansing. And I said, tell your friends and neighbors around the rest of the state, we get it here what we need to do in Michigan. We need to help educate the rest of the state on how we can be the best state in the country once again. Thank you very much.